Today our topic is your Schmitt trigger. The Schmitt trigger is a electronic circuit with a positive feedback. This is the electronic circuit with positive feedback and hold output level till the input signal comparator is higher than the threshold. This means this is electronic circuit with positive feedback and output is hold between two levels, that is one of your positive voltage or a negative voltage. You see here two level means the output is come here, means this is your output of your Schmitt trigger, means the output is come in two level, means plus B side minus B side. This two level input output is come when we apply a, and this is example of your sine function is apply, sinusoid apply. This is convert a in a square wave, means square wave one of the positive one and next one is the negative. This one means Schmitt trigger is an electronic circuit which with positive feedback and the output come in two level form, means one of the positive one and next one is the negative. Also Schmitt trigger is a square wave converter. Also it is called regenerative comparator. Also called as a squaring circuit, means outputs come in the two level, that is called as a, also called a squaring circuit, also called a H-level multivibrator. Schmitt trigger is used to convert any regular or irregular input waveform into square wave. Means whatever your input is applied, this is converted in a square wave. This is your circuit of your Schmitt trigger. Input is applied here. We consider as a sine function apply, sinusoidal voltage apply in this terminal, and this is your, we consider here the V and VB, means whatever the VI, this is your VA, means both are the equal. You see here the both terminals is same connection, that's why VI is equal to VA. Just we take here one of the symbol parameter, means VI is equal to VA. This terminal is the VA. This terminal we consider the voltage is your VB. Means how this voltage calculated, VB is equal to, means across this one drop, means R2 across drop, that is your representative VB. But now we calculate in this across the voltage drop by using a voltage divider rule. We now find the VB voltage. You to see here the VB voltage is equal to R2 multiplied by your voltage, R2 multiplied by voltage divided by R1 plus R2. You see here we have put multiply R2 and this is a voltage divider rule apply here, and now find out the VB. VB voltage is generally feedback voltage, means whatever the output is here using this R1 R2 feedback is provided and VB voltage calculated. Now this feedback voltage now depend on your V output voltage, that is your when V output voltage is plus V sat. Plus V sat means saturation voltage of your positive, saturation of positive and saturation of the negative. These are the supply voltage of your op-amp is the positive, this one are negative. Means we consider the, suppose V output is the maximum saturation voltage. Now we put this V output voltage in this equation. Now we put here. Now this equation is come out. V output is equal to plus V sat. Now put here. Now this voltage now called as a upper threshold voltage. Now you see here the symbol VUTH, means upper threshold voltage. This is your voltage now defined as a upper threshold voltage. This is the VB voltage. Now this is VB voltage now defined as upper threshold voltage when V output is equal to plus V sat. Now similar way when we consider the V output is equal to minus V sat. Now this value is put in this equation. V output is equal to minus V sat. Now the equation is come in this form. This is your equation. Now this voltage also appear in this VB terminal. Now here defined the voltage is lower threshold voltage, means now this voltage is whatever appear here, this is now defined as the lower threshold voltage when V output is equal to minus V sat. Sat means your saturation, just indicate the saturation voltage. Means suppose this is your 12 volt, this is minus 12 volt. That is a maximum voltage that is representing the saturation voltage. Now you to see here the upper threshold and lower threshold voltage. This is the calculated from this one. Now next to move your working of operation of your Schmitt trigger. To see here, we consider the input voltage apply as a sinusoidal voltage. Means sine wave is applied in your Schmitt trigger. Means this your circuit also, here also same circuit. Means input voltage apply a sine wave here, sine wave applied. Now we find out the VB voltage when V output is equal to plus V set, and next find the V output is equal to minus V set. VB voltage again find. Means upper threshold and lower threshold voltage is find out. Now the values whatever you find out, one of the come is the positive. This is your axis, y axis, your x axis. In y axis there is a voltage. Now this voltage come plus V set, means in terms of positive. That's why upper threshold voltage is indicated here. Suppose we consider a mark in this position. This is your indicate here. This is your upper threshold. This is your upper threshold is the reference level. This is your lower threshold, means negative side is the lower threshold. The already to see here, this is come upper threshold is the positive. This is come here lower threshold is the negative. That's why we taken as a reference is your positive as a upper threshold. This is come here negative as a lower threshold. Now the working operation you to see here, the input apply as a sinusoidal voltage. Now this is now convert as a square wave, means output is come in the square wave. How it is come? Means two level is output, two level form of output come. Means two level means the output come when your working operation you to see here, when input voltage is greater than your upper threshold, then your minus V set output is come. To see here, first to see this table, this is by this table you explain your operation. Now here consider this is your input terminal voltage, means VA and VB. VI is equal to VA, matlab same is VI is equal to VA. Whatever the VA, same is the VI. Means both are the difference are be considered here. Suppose VA greater than VB or VA greater than VB. Means two condition is formed here. We consider here. Suppose VA greater than VB. Means VA is equal to input voltage, means input voltage greater than your feedback voltage, means the VB voltage. Then output come is equal to minus V set. To see here, input voltage is equal to VB voltage. VB voltage means upper threshold voltage is the positive here considered. Positive is means VI is equal to greater than your UTH. Other form is get considered as a VB, and VI is greater than VB. Output is come minus V set. To see here, this condition is come as a minus V set. Now next to move, when VB is greater than VA, the output is come plus V set. To see here, when VB means this lower threshold voltage, this value is greater than your input voltage, means this one value is greater, means negative is less here, this is more negative. That's why this in this compared to this one, the output now come means VB means lower threshold voltage greater than input voltage. That's why come your output is your plus V set. This is your plus V set. Means two level is output is come. One of the V set, next one is the minus V set. This is also called circuit as a square wave converter. Means sine wave we apply, the output is coming in square wave. This output comes in square wave. These are the operation of your Schmitt trigger. Here write it down here, whatever I explained in this point. Next one to move your sample and hold circuit. In this circuit, sample and hold circuit is the electronic circuit which sample of input signal and hold the sample value until the input is sampled again. This is your define here. Means electronic circuit sample an input signal and holds the sample value until your input is sampled again. We study the communication system, how the sample means suppose be given any analog signal. Now we want to convert as a digital form. Then first step your to convert as a sample value, means in the sampling. First procedure is sampling, means this one of the circuit of your sampling circuit, means commonly used to convert of analog to digital converter in a communication system. This is your sample and hold circuit, just a block diagram, means sample and hold circuit. In this we apply a input signal as analog signal. The output is sample values obtained here, means now one of the connection is goes to control switch. Control switch are a signal apply to control your sample and hold circuit, means this circuit equivalent to this one, means we apply your input voltage, means whatever, suppose we are apply a sine function. This now switch is closed or open. This is depend upon your controlling of your switch. And this is your capacitor, means suppose we consider one of the example. When switch is on, means when switch is closed, suppose consider closed, the input whatever is come, this is charged by your capacitor, means when switch is closed, this is closed path is formed. Now the input is charged with the value of your input voltage of capacitor, means capacitor is charged according to your input. Now when switch is open, now capacitor is not charged, means whatever the voltage is sustained in the capacitor, output is obtained in the output side. Again next your, suppose this here taken a sample value. Now next time we consider this sample is taken, means next time this is your close, again capacitor is charged, output is obtained. Again this means your come switch on off, means when on the sample, when off this is hold value, then again on, then sample, next time off, means on off is the procedure of switches to sample of your input signal. This one of the shows with your op amp. This is to see here, this is a MOSFET act as a switch. This is a MOSFET act as a switch, and these are the circuit which is with your op amp. This is your capacitor, this is your op amp. To see here, input is applied according with your control voltage, means control signal or control voltage, means suppose this is the positive this your MOSFET is on and negative is off, means again positive on and off. On and off is the switches, means open and close, open and close. When the close, your sample value is stored in your capacitor and output is obtained whatever the stored value of capacitor. When next off, the capacitor is not charging, means on off procedure is follow to sample your signal. These are the your working of operation of your sample and hold circuit. These are the written here whatever I explained. Switch one is on and switch next is off.